It's about durian season beginning here in Sidaman area. So we just came here to find out, is it really started or not?
No problem.
Somewhere yes, but mostly no. There's only a few places where you can get durian at the moment. There are hundreds of different types of the durian. At the moment it's only like a kind of local sort of them. Big seeds and not that much durian to eat. While if it's a Bangkok, that's another sort. So then there is this really small seed and a lot of stuff to eat. 2.5 hours in a car from Ahmed towards Gilimanuk, which is a port where you can jump on a ferry and go to the Java. And we are here. This is a Hatten winery. This is one of those places where the Bali's or Indonesian wine comes from. This is the north part of Bali. Most probably we are not at the right time of the year to see the harvest of the grapes, but we definitely are at the right place to get some bottle of wine. Oh, so sour. This one is okay. Which one is this one? For which wine?
This is muscat for white wine.
Okay.
For local white wine. So we have two white wine, that is dry and semi-sweet, yeah?
Yeah.
And in Bali, so we can harvest 3 times per year.
3 times?
Yeah. So
So
every 4 months.
So it's gonna be after 2 weeks?
Yeah. And like
Every
yesterday, we harvest in another place also. So in total, we have 50 hectares in Bali. So
Oh,
we have
okay.
5 places around here. So this block we have 12 hectares. Until the sea we have. And for the grape, we harvest 3 times here. But for the grapes here, actually no season. So all the year we harvest here. So
Okay.
every month we harvest in Bali, because the weather here is hot also and dry. So we can harvest is more fast here.
How many liters of wine you make a year?
So we can produce until 1.5 million liters.
1.5 liters, and it goes all around Indonesia.
Yeah.
Or you also send somewhere out?
Only in Indonesia.
Only
Not
Indonesia.
export yet. But our fabric, our winery, we have in Sanur. So
Okay.
here only plantation. So we have 50 hectares. So after we collect the grape here, and
Yeah.
then the grape bring to Sanur then Pasar.
Oh, okay.
All the process and fermentation in Sanur, maybe 3 hours from here. Because maybe in North Bali around here, so the weather and the soil is different also.
Yeah, sure.
Different than in south. So in south is more rain also. So here is very dry, not too much rain. So
Yeah.
it's good for the grapes here. Yeah. And we grow white grapes and red grape here. And for red grapes, so we already grow like Shiraz,
Yeah.
Muscat Blue, Malvasia also, and Alphonse La Valley grapes. And then for white grape, we have Muscat Sanvalier. This one is
Yeah.
Muscat. And the Chenin Blanc, Colombat, Solaris also. The next we have this block, we have Solaris is white grape also.
Yeah.
And we cover with net now because for the bud also, maybe in
Okay.
September we harvest net. Next month we harvest this block.
All right.
So you drink wine every day?
Not me. Not me. Someone yes, someone else.
Okay, maybe look at this. Maybe in 2 weeks it's more sweet.
Anyways, it's good.
In 2 weeks it's more sweet here.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Thank you
And
very
this
much.
is the local system here, so we say like pergola.
pergola.
Pergola or canopy here. So like this system we more use in Bali. So this is good for setting grapes, good for the sun also.
And this one is a Europe system.
Yeah. No, like this one.
Ah, that one is like Europe. With watering.
Yeah, for the.
All right. So then it's just opening the system, and that's how the grapes growing up here. Little bit different, and it's covered with a net to protect from the birds. But I just guess the birds are also not stupid. If they get under the net, they can eat whatever they want. These ones are really small grapes.
Maybe after 20 years we must upgrade again for the grapes, yeah. So we take out and then we start grow, yeah. Because required we harvest it 2-3 times here. So if we have a rain season maybe, so we have grapes. So actually we have grape, we get more acid, yeah. Different than dry season. So we have sweet also, yeah.
Alright, so it's like a water tower. So yeah, something else for you. If you're coming to the Bali, you can definitely visit this place and know a little bit more about the wine and Bali wine, Balinese or Indonesian wines at all. It's called Island of Gods. Wine, they have strawberries, they have all the veggies, everything you need is here. Where else you can get this combination of so many different things you can see in one single place? So I've been showing you so many things, and there are still something new coming up, and I'm so happy about that. Grapes. We just there was a plan to go to, we are pretty close to Menjongan area, and then the first idea was maybe we'll go there, but then we decided it's too far. On the way to Menjongan, we saw that there are some people selling grapes. So yeah, anyway, so we will buy some table grapes and then we go back. On the way back there is another place where the girls wants to see some grapes. It's different, like a kind of red ones. And then back home. So this one is Lovina. That's where we ending our trip. So now it's gonna be long boring way back home, about 2 hours, and then we will be back in Ahmed. And that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, enjoy this video, and see you on the next one. Bye.